Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I'd love to buy Tesla or Nvidia shares right now at night from my phone, but the broker is closed, my money is in crypto, and by the time it moves, the moment is already gone? Today is all about how you stop missing that moment. It turns out that gap is already closed. On Bybit, in the TradFi section, you can trade more than 380 stocks, from Tesla and Nvidia all the way to major indices, plus gold, oil, and currency pairs, and all of it from the same account where your crypto already sits, no separate broker, and around the clock. On stock CFDs, there is zero commission and zero overnight fee right now. And let me point you where to look right away, so you don't have to hunt for it later. The link to sign up is in the description below this video. Using it locks in my bonus of up to $30,000 when you start. Create your account through that link, and if it's easier, follow along with me as we go. And on July 1st, they added a detail I honestly had not seen anywhere else. Now, the collateral for a trade does not have to be a plain dollar. It can be BYUSDT. That is a dollar that earns yield on its own, while it simply sits in your account. So the same capital works twice. It keeps earning interest, and at the very same time, it serves as margin for your trade. You used to have to choose, either your money earns or it trades. And now, it does both at once. Let's break down why that matters. Normally, when you put money up as margin, it just lies there like dead weight, waiting for a trade. Here, that dead weight comes alive. While your position is open, the base yield on the token keeps running, and if you trade actively, a bonus rate stacks on top, tied to your volume. Stock volume even counts at 4 times the weight, so you can reach the higher tiers with a smaller size than you would need on other assets. So why is Bybit doing this right now? The way I see it, there is a bigger story here. For the last month, the whole market has been chasing the same thing: how to bring ordinary stocks into crypto. Robinhood is launching its own blockchain, Ondo is building tokenized shares, everyone is promising Tesla for crypto. Nice headlines, but the product is often still in beta and not available in every country. Bybit, on the other hand, is not promising the future. It lets you trade this today. And here is why it makes sense to sign up now, not someday. Both windows close in July. The $150,000 bonus pool runs until the 31st, and the Global Assets Trading Fest, with a $202,000 prize pool, runs until the 16th. The top trader on each leaderboard takes home up to $20,000. Sign up late, and those bonuses are already gone. So open the link in the description, sign up, and get in before the window closes. And now the honest part, because I never review these things without it. TradFi is contracts for difference, CFDs, not buying a real share. You are trading the price movement, but you do not actually own the stock itself. It is a leverage tool, which means the risk is leverage too. If the price moves against you, you lose faster than you would on a simple hold. So the rule is old and simple. Only put in what you are ready to lose, and do not push your whole deposit into one idea just because there is a nice bonus on the table. A bonus is a pleasant reason, but it is not a strategy. Here is my takeaway. While some are still drawing roadmaps for how they will someday bring stocks on-chain, on Bybit it already works, and it works in a way where your money does not sit idle. And here is exactly what to do right now. Open the description, tap my link, and sign up on Bybit through it. That is what locks in your up to $30,000 bonus. Then open TradFi and try it with a small size, no rush. Everything you need to start is in the description, and I, as always, will keep you posted on whatever they roll out next. See you soon.